Ustyurt State Natural Reserve. The history of the formation of the reserve. The Ustyurt State Natural Reserve was organized by the decree of the Council of Ministers of the Kazakh SSR dated July 12 in 1980. Geographical position. The reserve is located in the south of the Mangostar region in the Yeralivsk district. The area of the reserve is 223,342 hectares. Geographically, the Ustyurt Reserve is located in the west of the Ustyurt Plateau, partly on the depression of the Kenderle Sort Plateau. The highest point of the Ustyurt Reserve is located on the western cliff of the Ustyurt near the Kugasem well, plus 340 meters above sea level. The lowest is in the northern part of Kenderle Sora, minus 52. Climate of the Ustyurt Reserve. The climatic conditions of the region are extremely harsh, cruel land. This is how the famous scientist Edward Eversman characterized this region, who almost 2 centuries ago gave the first scientific description of the mysterious Ustyurt. Relief. The relief of the plateau is characterized as a wavy and undulating rigid plain due to alternating low ridges, sloping slightly wavy surfaces, olas, and depressions. Various forms of meso and micro relief in the form of dry valleys, darker depressions, funnel-shaped subversion depressions, and the sources are widely developed on the plateau, creating a complex soil vegetation cover. Flora. In general, the flora of the reserve area includes 250 species of vascular plants from 163 genera and 43 families. The main core of the flora of the plateau is made up of representatives of the Moravia families, which is typical for Turan as a whole. Wormwood, hodgepodge, astragalus, and the kino are very common. The hiva is considered the most typical endemic of Ustyurt. It, together with the toothless catran, the soft-carpeted critemoil, and the hard preblet milkweed, is under the protection of the Red Book of Kazakhstan. Half-shrubs became widespread in Ustyurt: wormwood, buyurgun, sarsazan. Fauna. More than 50 species of mammals live, including such rare species as the honey badger, sandcat, manual, and the caracal. Some of them are endangered, such as the cheetah. The Kazakh and Turkmen subspecies of the kulan haven't been found in the wild nature of Kazakhstan for almost half a century. The Red Book of Kazakhstan includes a long-speared hedgehog, piebald shrew dressing, and the gazelle, still rarely found in the reserve. You can meet up to 200 species of birds, but there are much fewer of them nesting, only 52 species. There are about 27 species of reptiles in the reserve, including 17 species of lizards. The fauna of invertebrates, including insects, hasn't been studied at all. It should be noted rare and endangered species. Others are included in the Red Book of Kazakhstan, as well as the Ustyurt Mouth protected objects. Many other notable objects have been preserved on the territory of the Ustyurt Reserve. There are first of all various fossils, the remains of ancient invertebrates, plants, etc. In the area of the Western Chink and the Karnjarok sands, Neolithic human sites were found, and along the exciting dirt road Kungrad, Janavuzin, Akhtau, ancient burials. This road is an offshoot of the Great Silk Road, which connected Khiva with the coast of the Caspian Sea and the lower reaches of the Volga. In the reserve, the road approaches the Kogusem well.